Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to use aiERP to find and display records. To activate our companion, we'll click on the stars at the top right hand corner of the screen, which will open up our companion. We can then ask it to display our records. Once it's found the customers, we can click on View in Priority, and we'll see that it's found both of our customers that are located in Canada. We can do the same with sales orders. Once it's found them, we can click View in Priority, and we can see it's found our 17 draft sales orders. Thank you.